Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer money to a Palmpay account in 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things fintech, making complex processes simple and straightforward. Palmpay has evolved a lot by 2025, with enhanced security features and faster transactions, so let's get you up to speed quickly. First things first, make sure you have the latest Palmpay app installed on your smartphone. Head to your app store, search for Palmpay, and update or download it if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up using your phone number and verify it with a code sent via SMS. It's quick and secure. Now, let's jump into the transfer process. On the home screen, look for the Transfer or Send Money icon, usually represented by a money bag or arrow symbol. Tap on it, and you'll see options to select the recipient. If you're sending to another Palmpay user, enter their username, phone number, or scan their QR code for accuracy. Next, input the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to double-check for any fees that might apply in 2025. Palmpay often has zero fees for certain transfers. After that, add a short note or reference for the transaction, like gift or payment, to make it easier to track. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the recipient's info and the total amount. Hit Confirm, and authenticate the transfer using your PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Security is key in 2025. Once the transfer is complete, you'll get a confirmation message or email. That's it, you've successfully sent money. Remember, always transfer to trusted recipients to avoid scams, and keep an eye on your transaction history. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fintech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and smart with your money.